Do you ever feel blah?
Like sleeping in class, blah.
Like 8 full hours of blah.
When your teacher just blah, blah, blah.
Well, we have something that's gonna fix that.
Energy bites.
To start, you're going to need your wet ingredients, which is 1 cup of peanut butter and 2/3 cup of honey.
Now that you're done with your wet ingredients, you want to add in your dry ingredients, which are
2 cups of oats, 1 cup of shredded coconut, and 3/4 cups of mini chocolate chips.
Now for our final step, you will need clean hands, a spoon, and a tray. So what you want to do is you want to take it and you want to put an eyeballed amount into your hand and start rolling it up. Thank you for watching this tutorial, everyone. I hope these energy bites made your day go from blah to yeah!
Good thing they don't taste bad. Stop laughing at me.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. And